In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Roblox account on PlayStation. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Creating a Roblox account for PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 is extremely simple. You will be able to do it inside of the game when you open it on any PlayStation console or even through the website. Regardless of which option you pick, it is super simple to set it up and sign into the account when you play the game on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So first, if you want to do this process directly on the console inside of the game, as soon as you open it on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you will be greeted with the login screen if you aren't already signed into an account. Choose between sign up or log in. If you go into login, you will see all of these options here and you can input a username and password. If you go back and you select sign up, you will get the prompt to create an account, which is similar to the one presented on their website. So to create your account, you have to input details such as a username, password, an optional gender, and once you have these details set up and attributed to the username, you can go ahead and sign in using that account. Sometimes you might also be prompted to sign up using your PlayStation Network account instead, which would speed up the process. Now, if you want to do it on the website, you will be greeted with a screen similar to this, and you have to access the website through a web browser on your computer or your phone. Regardless of which option you pick, setting up the account is simple to do, and once you have the username and password on hand, you can go ahead and sign into the account on the console versions of the game. So just going to sign in, input the username and password, and afterwards you are ready to play. All the experiences will be displayed, and you shouldn't have any issues accessing them. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Roblox account on PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.